want to stop and cause your vacuum to be out here over your Z-bar. So you don't want that because whenever you beat that down, that'll just look like a fluff right there. So you want to have it tight to your metal here, and you'll have a nice clean look like that. Because when you tap that down, that's going to be super clean looking right there. That's what you want.
When you tap it down, does it stretch it a little bit?
Not really enough. I'll always have it fastened off first.
So it's very particular what you're saying and doing that. What I mean is when you tap it from the strip to there, it doesn't really stretch it.
Not enough, because it's almost flat anyway, so it's just got a little bit of a pull. So not enough to matter. If you look right here at the edge, you want to do it right when you bend it down. It's going to be right at the edge. You don't want to do it back here because then it's going to stop it from moving, and you don't want to do it right there because obviously if it needs to move, it's going to be under there too. Just enough to get your carpet on top of the vinyl plank, okay? That's where you want it. So I'll just kind of look straight down on it. This is going to be right at the edge of my plank. Just a little bit.
Can I feel that real quick?
Absolutely. It will try to buck up out there if you're not holding it while you do it. I'll always just do a couple inches at a time. Just hold it.
Holding it.
Hold it. Tap it. Work it. Work it. I got my stair tool because a lot of times if it's already stretched, I'm just used to doing it. I'll take this after I'll get my bend and then hold it in place after it's tucked in there. I'll show you all this right here too, because there's actually spots that need it. After you get done, rub your fingers across it like that, and you can feel any spot that needs to be tapped down a little more. Right there's a spot, you can feel it raised up a little bit. Feel that, huh?
Yep, a couple of them.
Bend it back and forth and trying to get it right so many times, you probably don't need to be like a carpet. Because, I mean, you could deal with it, and it's still plenty strong here, so you can mess with it a whole bunch without having any issues. And I want to point this out to you, something I would normally do, because your nails are back here, I'll always put one up close to the Z-bar.
Go through the Z-bar.
So we'll go through the Z-bar good whenever I'm doing it.
Just extra.
Yeah.
So you said 33 for bucks?
How much?
$33?
$33.
No, that's not bad. For as much as you use them.
Okay. crowded. Should be no more room there.
You keep doing these trainings, you're gonna have to make another studio.
I know.
Yeah, I remember when you were gonna do CFI, you're like, you had
I had a
all that
big one
stuff.
over there, yeah.
Will you double check me? I'm over here acting like I do this all the time. I'm
It looks good to me. Straight down to the edge, and that's good.
pretty set for that spacing and everything.
Plenty of expansion right
Okay.
there.
And it's usually all
Yeah.
tight,
Oh,
and
yeah.
I thought that's how it was supposed to get set down there, and I'm like, this is a nightmare, yeah. And so you would just work this one section at a time, or you get the whole
I'll get
thing?
the whole piece under there, and then I'll start back working it.
Okay,
That way it's just pre-bent.
okay.
Hard concrete where it just keeps breaking it out.
Yeah.
Your nails will bend or whatever, go with the nubbies, the little 1/4 inch nails.
Yeah, I think that's the ones I use because these seem a little. I can barely get my hand in there, so I bought one of them.
Yeah.
At least to tack it on wood.
Yeah.